name is Suia. I am the owner of CoastLab, a co-working space in Orewa. This is my friend Georgie.
And here we are, doing a full bathroom renovation.
It's gonna be a restroom rendezvous. That's what I decided to call it.
I love that.
I love to be known as like the community business hub, but also imagine if people talk about your toilets. I chose Resene because they have the boldest and the funnest colour range, which is perfect for my project. Artie helped me translate the designs that were in my head into a visual. The execution, that wasn't in the forefront of my mind. I know that you are great at those kind of things.
So I love to paint.
Yes.
I don't feel like I'm qualified the way that everyone has suggested I'm qualified, which is helpful because there is a Resene expert arriving.
Patrick is coming in to tell us what to do and how to do it. Do you want to see the designs?
Yes, please. Wow. In this case, for the bathroom, we have a product called Resene SpaceCote Kitchen and Bathroom. It's able to withstand these moist areas.
This is it,
Yeah.
slightly horrific.
In terms of preparation, if you do have any mold present, you want to treat that with Resene Moss and Mold Killer. Otherwise, for your general cleaning, you want to use Resene Interior Paintwork Cleaner and then apply an undercoat, Resene Waterborne Sure Seal, one coat of that, and then 2 top coats of SpaceCote Low Sheen Kitchen and Bathroom for the walls.
Oh, it's like pulling teeth. Oh.
Now that the doors have been sanded down, I'm going to use the Resene Interior Paintwork Cleaner so that the primer actually sticks properly.
Oh, I think the instructions said sand and then fill.
Got the Resene Easy Fill Quick.
Holes are filled, and now I'm gonna sand the ceiling and the walls with my extendable.
We definitely underestimated the amount of colours. Just having lots of different trays and colours on the go at the same time.
And there were also so many techniques in there.
Now we're going into decorating, which is the most fun part. So we're going to use these stencils and then put them on the wall and outline them, and then I'm going to hand paint them, filling them in and adding all the details to them.
As much as there was lots of work in the stenciling, there was also a lot of measuring in the stripes. You actually put your tape on the insides. You have to really think about it.
So initially, I actually was very ambitious. I thought we'd finish after 2 weekends. 9 weekends later, welcome to Candyland.
Come in here. Come in here.
This is the Resene Cornflower. I love this colour. And then we also have a Resene Spritzer here. Look at that beautiful green. The famous stripy wall and peaches. Actually, I think this is my favourite. So we use the Resene Ultramarine on the wall, the Resene Cornflower for the peaches, and then the Resene Havoc.
It is so special. Like one of a kind. One of New Zealand's only kind.
And now I get to walk into it every day.
So happy. So happy.